In this video I'm going to show you how to add email on your Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Snapchat application and then get in your profile. Tap here on your profile icon. Then select this gear icon, tap on that. And there I can see my name, username, birthday, mobile number and email. I'll select that and here I may enter my email. Let's do that. And here I also can enable or disable option to find me using my email address. I will toggle it off and then tap continue. Now I need to confirm this action typing my password. And that's it. Now this email was successfully attached to my Snapchat account. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.